every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 257th day of my challenge where I'm gonna try for the very first time, let me just beat quickly, pasta with cream and originally pancetta, but mine will be with bacon just because it's one of very little ingredients left with which I still cannot find in Lithuania. So any of my Lithuanian friends watching me, if you do know where I could buy pancetta, because on my own I still couldn't find it, then please do let me know. I will really appreciate it. So other than I'm really looking for my dinner, I don't really have anything else to add, because even though I have to warn you, this will not look like a very, I don't even know, like fancy or appetizing even looking dish, just looking from the photo. Because when I was watching Laura's original video, I was like, but every single recipe I tried with bacon was really good. So I'm pretty sure I will have an awesome dinner. So other than that, I don't really have anything else to add. So if you want to see how it goes trying this recipe for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 800 grams of chopped tomatoes, 500 grams of pasta, preferably large tube-shaped, 200 grams of bacon cut into bite-sized pieces, half a cup of heavy cream, 40 grams of freshly grated Parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 3 grams of fresh parsley, chopped, and salt and pepper. I have my largest pot here filled with water coming to boil. Once it's boiling, I'm gonna add some salt and it will be just hanging out there to be ready when I'm ready for it. And here I have a large skillet with high sides, also preheating over medium-high heat. And once it's really hot, I'm gonna add my bacon and crisp it up for 5 minutes. That splashes! I already made such a mess. So now I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium, add my garlic, ow, that hurt, and cook it for 30 more seconds. And now tomatoes go in for 15 minutes. Alrighty, so actually this is the time to add the pasta into the boiling water, and I'm gonna cook it al dente, so check the package instructions on your pasta, which basically means time on the package minus 2 minutes. And now the heavy cream goes in for a couple more minutes. Okay, it's starting to look really nice. There's something about putting the cream in which kind of diffuses the color, but at the same time it makes it look more, I don't know, restaurant-like. So now, after 2 minutes of cooking the cream, I'll pretty much add everything else. I have Parmiggiano here, I have parsley, I have also salt and pepper. So normally you would taste the sauce and, you know, season to taste. But as always, as I want to try the dish for the very first time in the very end together with you, I will just eyeball it. And once I mix those in, I will add the pasta in as well and just mix everything together. And that's it. Yes. Am I ready? Are you asking? Yes, I am. I love this pasta. Bacon rules, bacon rules. Lithuania rules for having bacon. I love bacon. Though, I have to say I already can find and buy some bacon in Turkey as well. Like maybe 5 times more expensive than Lithuania. This is nice. Let's be... What's the word? I even forgot. Well-mannered. So this is something which I would normally not... I don't think I would normally try this dish. Did I put all the words in saying what I want to say? Normally I wouldn't try this dish just because I was never a fan of tomatoey sauces, but when you add bacon, when you add the heavy cream, I'm like losing... Okay, I need to take another bite. This is good. And the shape of pasta is so cool. This is so funny. I've mentioned this like 1 million times already, that I was not a fan of tomatoey sauces, but man, this is good. I love different shapes of pasta. I've never eaten this particular one, so it's really fun. And I don't know, if I spoke longer and stayed longer with you, I would totally finish this plate. This is good. And I have a lot of it. So there you have it. Trying this recipe for the very first time. I give it a thumbs up. It's really nice. If you like bacon, if you like pasta, why not to try some other, combination of pasta? It's always nice. So if you want, go check the original recipe of Laura there. I know YouTube has changed since the last time I've been here, so I don't think I can actually put the link there, but you will find it in the description box down below. Actually, where you can find the written recipe as well, as always in both American and the metric systems, because that's basically what I do. I try the recipes for the very first time and then I convert and share the metric recipe of it. So yeah, I gotta go now. So if you have any ideas or wishes on what you would like to be tried for the very first time from Laura in the kitchen, then don't feel shy and share it in the comments down below, because that's basically the only way for me to cheat and kind of jump into the future, as I am going one by one from the very beginning. And as I'm losing the gift of speech, I'll just go. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!